channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and yeah, welcome. So I haven't been doing Vlogmas like I really should, so I figured, you know what, I'm gonna give you guys a few really good videos this week. But anyways, yeah, who cares. I'm gonna be doing Q&A just to get to know me, because I figured I don't really do much Q&A on my channel, and little Maddie is down here spitting on herself, and my husband should be home anytime soon, so yeah, great. The first question is, what is your full name? Well, my full name is Janice. I'm not gonna put out my whole full name because yeah, I just know that I'm Janice. My husband is here though, yay! The next one is, are you named after anyone? I don't know who I'm named after. A lot of people say that my name is belongs to a white person. I don't know, cause it's spelled Janice and pronounced Janice, but I say Janice. So yeah. What does your name mean? I don't know. I've never looked up what my name means or anything like that. I really don't care, because my dad named me, so I don't care. Where are you from? I am from St. Catherine, Jamaica. I was born and raised in Jamaica, and I came here when I was 17 years old. Where do you live? I currently reside in Maryland. Yay! I can't wait to move. Where were you born? I was born in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Yep, I'm a Jamaican. Which of your parents are you closest to? I think I'll pass. Which of your parents are you more like? I don't know. I don't know, and I don't care to even know. So yeah, that's that. What is your favorite food? My favorite food has to be, I love rice. I love me some rice. I could eat rice all day long. Jasmine rice, white rice, brown rice, all kind of rice. I love rice. I love me some rice. What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink? I don't have a favorite drink. I'm not really a food person, so let's get away from these food questions. What is your biggest regret? My biggest regret is not finishing college. I did it's not getting my master's. I did get my associates in accounting, and my biggest regret is not getting my master's. So yeah, I have a lot of credits for early childhood and just general studies, and I do intend on going back to college and finishing my degree, but I don't know yet. I don't know when that is gonna be. At what age did you go on your first date? I was my first date, I don't remember age. I wasn't a fast little girl or anything like that, so I probably would be like 17. I was 17, yeah. What is an ideal first date for you? I'm not a romantic person, so I don't know an ideal date. I'm a laid back kind of person. You could take me to McDonald's and buy me a cheeseburger and I'd be very happy. Like, yeah, I'm that kind of person. What is the top of your bucket list? I don't have anything at the top of my bucket list, just surviving life in general. That's at the top of my bucket list, surviving life. Are you a dog person or a cat person? Neither. I don't like animals. Yeah, I'm not really an animal lover, but my husband is. Yeah, we have a dog, and we had a cat too. Yeah, we had to get rid of the cat because the cat was scratching up the furniture, so yeah. What is the best compliment you have ever received? That I'm beautiful and my eyes are beautiful, from my husband. But anyways, guys, that's it. Short and simple. My battery's dying, so I gotta go. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.